The capital of Afghanistan, Kabul, is an ancient city with a 1,000-year history. Kabul is the capital and largest city of Afghanistan. It stands on the Kabul River. It is located at an altitude of 1,800 meters above sea level. The trading heart of Kabul is Maiwand Avenue. Bazaars have long been located near Maiwand Avenue. One of them is Charchada. But in fact it is a whole labyrinth of narrow streets and lanes. Thousands of people filling it at once, talking, arguing, bargaining, next to mountains of colored silk, rolls of heavy velvet and light brocade, in which you can dress the whole of Kabul. Acquaintance with Palestine. A walk through the markets and bazaars of the city of Gaza. On the border with Israel and Egypt, the territory of the Gaza Strip, or simply Gaza, is a Palestinian enclave on the eastern coast of the Mediterranean Sea. Join us on a walking tour of the Gaza market in Palestine. This February walking tour will take you through the market where locals sell a variety of goods. Feel the atmosphere, listen to the sounds and relax as you explore the new environment. Side is an ancient resort port city in the south of the Mediterranean coast of Turkey. Side, like any other Turkish city, is hard to imagine without a noisy and crowded oriental bazaar. It always has a special atmosphere, merchants inviting buyers to their place. The smell of spices and herbs, oriental sweets, handicrafts. This is not just a buy-sell market. It is worth coming here not only for shopping, but also to better understand the Eastern mentality. February walk through the Majnu Kautila market. This is a district in the north of New Delhi. The Majnu Kautila area is a kind of Tibet Delhi, or rather a small piece of it. When the Chinese captured Tibet, many of its inhabitants fled to neighboring countries. India was especially warm to the settlers, because it was here, in a small town in the north, that the Dalai Lama founded his residence. This area is interesting not only for its unique atmosphere, but also for small bazaars and markets. Daily lifestyle of amazing people at a local market in Phnom Penh, Cambodia, February 2023. Phnom Penh is the capital of Cambodia, a millionaire city, another Asian miracle. Here, as throughout Asia, religion coexists with everyday life. Ancient temples stand in the backyards of modern shopping centers. The originality of culture is reflected in the architecture, national cuisine and lifestyle of the Cambodians. Let's take a look at the bustling market in the city center. Thank you so much for visiting the Web TV channel. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, write a review and subscribe to watch new trips around the cities. See you soon, bye bye.